TikTok Affiliate Marketing Tutorial 2026. If you've been searching for a TikTok affiliate marketing tutorial in 2026 and wondering how beginners are making money online using short videos without showing their face, without expensive ads, and without complicated websites, this video is exactly for you. Because right now, TikTok affiliate marketing is one of the fastest growing online opportunities for beginners. TikTok's algorithm still gives small creators massive reach. That means you do not need a huge following to start getting views. And when you combine TikTok traffic with affiliate marketing and AI-powered faceless content, you create a powerful system for generating commissions online. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how TikTok affiliate marketing works, how beginners are getting started in 2026, what tools people are using, and the exact business-in-a-box system helping people shortcut the learning curve. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll also explain how faceless AI content works, how to stay consistent, and why most beginners fail before they ever start getting traction. Now, before we continue, if you want instant access to the exact system, AI tools, faceless Reels library, and affiliate marketing training I'm talking about in this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below. That's where you can get instant access today. And also subscribe right now, because this channel is all about affiliate marketing, AI tools, TikTok growth, faceless content, and beginner-friendly ways to make money online in 2026. Now let's get started. So first of all, what exactly is TikTok affiliate marketing? It's actually very simple. You create TikTok videos. You add affiliate links. People watch your content. Some viewers click your links. Sales happen. You earn commissions. That's it. And honestly, TikTok is one of the best traffic sources right now because the algorithm heavily pushes short-form content. Even brand new accounts can get views. That's why TikTok affiliate marketing has become such a massive opportunity for beginners in 2026. Now, one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is thinking they need to become influencers or show their face constantly. That's not true anymore. Faceless TikTok content is exploding right now. People are creating motivation videos, AI clips, business edits, finance reels, quote videos, tutorials, slideshows, and viral-style content completely faceless. And some of these pages are getting millions of views. Now, another huge problem beginners face is content creation. Most people do not know what to post, how to edit videos, how to create hooks, or how to stay consistent. That's where AI tools and done-for-you content systems completely change the game. Inside the system I'm talking about in this video, there's access to over 100,000 ready-to-post faceless reels. That means beginners can start posting TikTok content almost immediately. You can customize videos if you want, tweak captions, add affiliate links, and start building traffic right away. And honestly, this is one of the reasons TikTok affiliate marketing is exploding in 2026. The barriers to entry are lower than ever before. Now, if you want access to the same faceless Reels library and AI tools I'm talking about, check the link in the pinned comment below, because that's where you can get instant access today. Now, another powerful feature inside the system is the AI viral hook and script generator. This is extremely important because hooks are everything on TikTok. If your first few seconds are boring, people scroll immediately. That's why viral hooks matter so much. The AI tools inside the platform help generate hooks, captions, scripts, content ideas, and video angles automatically. That means beginners can create content faster while staying consistent. And honestly, creators using AI tools right now have a huge advantage over people trying to do everything manually. Now let's talk about commissions, because obviously that's what most people care about. Depending on the affiliate offer, some commissions can pay around $200 per sale. And no, you do not need millions of followers to make money. That's one of the biggest misconceptions online. You need targeted traffic and consistency. Even smaller TikTok pages can generate affiliate commissions if the content reaches the right audience. That's why TikTok affiliate marketing is becoming such a powerful opportunity for beginners. Now, another thing I really like about TikTok is speed. Content can go viral extremely quickly compared to traditional platforms. One good video can bring thousands of views overnight. Now, obviously, not every video will go viral, but the more content you post, the more opportunities you create for traffic and commissions. That's why consistency matters so much. Now, another huge advantage is reposting content across multiple platforms. One TikTok video can also go on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. That means one piece of content can generate traffic from multiple sources. More exposure means more opportunities for affiliate commissions. And because the content is faceless, scaling becomes much easier. Now, another thing beginners love about this business model is privacy. A lot of people want to make money online without constantly showing their identity. Faceless content solves that problem. You can build pages around AI, motivation, business, side hustles, quotes, finance, success clips, or tutorials without attaching your face to the content. That's why faceless TikTok pages are growing so quickly right now. Now let's talk about daily workflow, because honestly, this is much simpler than most people think. A basic beginner workflow could look like this. Log into the dashboard, grab a few faceless TikTok videos, generate hooks or captions with AI, upload content to TikTok and other platforms, add affiliate links, reply to comments, repeat consistently. That's it. Simple consistency over time. And honestly, this business model is one of the lowest barrier opportunities available in 2026. No inventory, no shipping, no customer support, no websites, no coding, just content plus affiliate links. Now, another feature inside the system is automated email swipe templates. This matters because most people don't buy immediately. Usually people need multiple exposures before making a decision. That's why follow-up matters so much in affiliate marketing. Having done-for-you email templates already written saves beginners a huge amount of time. Now, if this video is helping you understand TikTok affiliate marketing better, hit the like button because it helps this video reach more people trying to learn affiliate marketing in 2026. And again, subscribe because I'm going to continue posting tutorials about TikTok affiliate marketing, YouTube Shorts, AI content systems, faceless videos, affiliate marketing strategies, and beginner-friendly online business ideas. Now, obviously, this is not some overnight success button. You still need patience and consistency. But compared to traditional online business models, TikTok affiliate marketing combined with AI tools and faceless content is one of the easiest entry points I've seen for beginners. And honestly, most people fail simply because they never start. They keep watching videos, they keep researching, but they never actually post content consistently. Meanwhile, other people are learning by doing and building momentum every single day. That's why I always tell beginners, do not wait for perfection. Start now, improve as you go, stay consistent. Now, if you're serious about learning TikTok affiliate marketing and want access to the exact business-in-a-box system, AI tools, faceless Reels library, dashboards, training, landing pages, and automation tools mentioned in this video, click the link in the first pinned comment below right now and get instant access. And once you get inside, leave a comment below this video and let me know, because I always try to help beginners get moving in the right direction. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more affiliate marketing tutorials, TikTok growth strategies, AI content methods, and make money online videos for beginners in 2026. And I'll see you in the next video.